The next topic is construction of the tangent to the circles. So normally, how do we draw the tangent? Drawing tangent is nothing but we will take a circle like this, and approximately I told you previously from outside the point like this we will draw. And some of the students may get confused and they will draw the tangent like this from. And this is, if you see that this will not be perpendicular. Perpendicular or not. Okay, the main concept is the tangent should be perpendicular to the radius. Okay, so 11.2 exercise based on that only you are going to have. So exercise problems only one by one we are going and taking and we are solving it. Okay, the first question is given to you one by one. Let us see here. Draw a circle of the radius 5 centimeters. Just I will explain to you in the what way you can do it and you have to do it. Okay, procedure I will explain to you. So immediately after completion of the class today itself, if you do the construction, then it is useful to you. Otherwise, no. Okay, so you need to take the all the geometrical instruments. Okay, then you have to do it. Okay, draw a circle of the radius 6 centimeters from a point 10 centimeters away from its center. Center से 10 centimeters दूर से construct the pair of tangent to the circle and measure their lengths. What is the length of the tangent? You have to measure. Length of the tangent is nothing but what is meant by length of the tangent? Distance from the point of contact to the exterior point from where you are drawing the tangent. Okay. The first, you know the how to draw the 6 centimeter circle. Take the radius of the compass as a 6 centimeters and draw a circle. X circle draw like this. Let us assume the radius of this circle is equal to 6 centimeters. इसका circle का radius 6 centimeters मान लो. Okay. So this is the center of the circle. You mark the center of the circle as a O. O is the center of the circle. Okay. So now here from a point 10 centimeters away. So here is 10 centimeters. See here I am clearly explaining to you this problem when you try to draw it on a paper. So your paper width will be normally 6 centimeters, 10 centimeters if you are taking. So according to the paper width, the circle to be taken most right side 6 centimeters circle rather. So 6 centimeters start कर दे तो ये 6 होगा ये 6 होगा. So 12 centimeters. If your width is more than 12 centimeters से कम हो गया है, then you can take a point नीचे भी ले सकते. Because paper size, if you take A4 size paper, if you are taking into consider, based on the tangent, तो sir point इधर ही लेना है, point इधर ही लेना की जरूरत नहीं, exterior point किधर भी ले लो. But I am explaining for your convenience here. Suppose in your notebook, if you are doing, your notebook paper will be like this, suppose. And you draw a paper. So 6 centimeters means outside it is not possible to you. So in that situation, what you have to do? Point can be taken, another point can be taken here. So either say 10 centimeters distance होना, 10 centimeters for distance. समझ में आ रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
So here these points actually you should keep in your mind. ये थोड़ा सा आप ध्यान में रखना है. So point can be taken anywhere else. So this point should be how much distance? 10 centimeters away from the center. So इधर से इधर 6 centimeters है और 4 centimeters होना है. थोड़ा सा दूर draw कर लिया होगा मैंने. So let us reduce this. Approximation I am taking here. So this is one straight line. So after drawing this, what you need to do? Perpendicular bisector bisect this one. Perpendicular bisector known it. You have to bisect it. Bisect is nothing but cut into two equal parts. Equal parts में cut करना है. So OP को equal part में cut करने के लिए compass ले लो. By taking a compass, P as a center one arc here and another arc here. O as a center one arc here, another arc here. ये दोनों को join करने की जरूरत नहीं. Take the scale. By taking a scale लेके ये दोनों को join करके इधर मार्क. समझ में आ रहा है ना? So
yes,
the point here, this point will be M. Can you say what is the distance of OM? Can you say what is the distance of OM? OM कितना होगा?
5 centimeter.
Yes, even sir you may get answers, but with the scale 5 centimeter का point पे m mark कर लिया तो is it wrong? No, it is also right. You need to find out the midpoint of OP. OP का midpoint find out करने के बाद draw a circle with m as a center. M as a center. You need to draw a circle. Sorry. Approximately circle, and this circle will touch the previous circle at 2 points, and the touching points you consider as a and B, where it is touching, so that it is the touching points you have to consider as a and B, and join to the P to A and P to B. So PA, PP are the tangent to the circle with the center point radius 6 centimeters. With center O and a radius 6 centimeters का tangent है. Sir, how can you say it is a tangent? It is a tangent means compulsory what you should you join this one. इसको join करना. What is this one? OA, radius of the circle, given circle. Radius of the given circle. So ये radius इसको perpendicular होता है तो then it is tangent ना. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So, but if you say that this circle is smaller circle, you take into consideration this OP क्या है? Diameter. So ये क्या है? Angle in a semicircle होगा. ये वो AP is an angle in a semicircle, and you know that angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. In the 9th class you learn angle in a semicircle. Semicircle में angle कितना है? 90 degrees होगा. Isn't it? So ये 90 degrees है. So from that you can say that the radius of this circle is perpendicular to the AP. In the same way, this is also radius perpendicular होगा because it is also. So we need to get the perpendicular line. So that's why we are drawing like this. We don't know that exactly where do we get. So easiest method is to send a simple tangent draw करना है for any circle. सेंटर से आउटसाइड पॉइंट को ज्वाइन करना है एंड उसका मिड पॉइंट लेना है. मिड पॉइंट पे एक सर्किल ड्रॉ करना है, वन मोर सर्किल, मिड पॉइंट एज अ सेंटर and radius to be taken as a midpoint to this center. How much radius is there? That should be taken as a radius and draw a circle, and it touches the points A and B in two different points. Different points touch होगा, and the PA and PB are the tangent to the given circle. So steps of construction कैसे करना है? Steps लिखना है. Steps. One for the one problem, if you want, I will write steps of construction. First, draw a circle of radius 6 centimeters with O as a center. We are considering. Okay, take a point P outside the circle such that कैसे लेना है? OP is equals to 10 centimeters. From the 10 centimeters away from the center, you need to draw the circle. Okay. Third one, mark a point M, which is midpoint of AB. AB line segment of mid, sorry, OP. AB. OP का midpoint mark करना. Next, mostly the steps will be like that. M as a center, MO as radius, MO as, whenever you write a step for the drawing ड्रॉइंग सर्किल ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं तो सेंटर क्या है, रेडियस क्या है मेंशन करना है। m as a center, mo as radius, draw a circle which touches the previous circle at a comma b, 2 points में touch होता है। तो fifth one is join PA and PB which are tangents to the circle C with center O radius 6 centimeters from P. P is tangents. So how can you say they are tangents? ये tangents बोल के कैसे बोल सकते हैं? Justification. Better you write justification. Justification means आप वो tangents बोल के कैसे justification. So इसको tangents बोल के कैसे बोल रहे हैं? How do you say that they are the tangents? Means that you need to write here. So in circle C with M as a center, C circle with M as a center, MO, a smaller circle. In this circle, angle OAP is equals to 90 degrees because angle in semicircle. Angle in semicircle. Therefore, you can say that OA is perpendicular to this OA is perpendicular to OP. So OA perpendicular to AP. OA perpendicular to AP. Therefore, radius of C with center circle is perpendicular to PA. PA को perpendicular है. Therefore, PA is tangent to circle with center O radius 6. समझ में आया? Is it clear to you? हाँ? Clear है ना? समझ में आया ना? इसमें कुछ और So very simple problems. All the problems are based on like it, but I will explain all the problems. I must give you two steps like this. Okay. So one problem I have given to you, but every problem the method I will explain to you. So different problems whatever it is given to. Second problem you see, construct the tangent to the circle of the radius 4 centimeters from a point on the concentric circle of the radius 6 centimeters. And measure the length. Here first problem में क्या measure the length आंसर बोल रहा है. इसका length कितना है भी measure करना है. Scale से measure कर लो and compare that using the Pythagoras theorem use करके भी compare. कितना हो सकता है? ये radius 6 centimeters, ये distance 10 centimeters, ये 90 degrees. Isn't it? Isn't it? So can anyone say what can be the length of this one? What can be the length of 6? Hypotenuse 10. What are the Pythagorean triplets? Pythagorean triplets क्या है? 3, 4, 5 Pythagorean triplet. 6, 8, 10 Pythagorean triplet. Can you hear me? You all can.
सर आपका वीडियो पॉज हो गया था, फिर से थोड़ा बोलिए ना.
पॉज हो गया?
यस सर, अभी ठीक है.
Okay, I am getting you lost your connection बोल के आ रहे हैं. अभी सुनाई दे रहे?
Yes sir.
I am asking that what can be the length of PA? what can be the length of PA? PA का length कितना है?
So 8.
Yes, very good. It is 8 because 6 centimeters है. 10 square minus 6 square करो. This because this is hypotenuse. वो भी करने का जरूरत नहीं. ये सारा याद रखना है आपको. 3, 4, 5 pythagorean triplets. 6, 8, 10, 9, 12, 15. इसको multiples करते जाओ. You are going to get the Pythagorean triplets, and along with that 5, 12, 13 is a one Pythagorean triplet. 5, 12, 13. So if you find 13 as a one side of the hypotenuse, 13 hypotenuse find out कर लिया. 5 one side, another side compulsory 12. So ये थोड़ा याद रखना है, simple चीजें. So ये 8 centimeters होगा. Even measure करके भी check कर लो आप. If you draw with all the measurements with the properly, then you will get. So first question में यही पूछ रहा है. Second question, what is the second question asking to you? Let us see. Okay. Second question में concentric circle concept is given. So one by one let us discuss here. See here, very simple chapter. Constructions. I already told you. Your ninth chapter, very less number of problems, mostly all are similar problems. So you'll get the 5 marks from there is compulsory, and like this, if you learn the constructions and applications of trigonometry, don't leave because small chapter, and you'll get the good marks. Don't neglect these 2 chapters at any cost. Okay, my best suggestion every time. Not only this year, every year, whenever you take it to consider, like that only. So a simple chapter, छोटा सा chapter है, and good marks you are going to get. Number of the problems also very less, and you are lucky this year still similar triangles is decreased. So उसमें कुछ नहीं है. Just you need to practice the here 7 problems are there. These 7 problems and 1 problem 8 and some example problems. Example problems कितना है? Example problem एक भी नहीं है इसमें. Just 8 problems if you practice, then good marks you are going to get it. Second problem, see, construct the tangent to the circle of the radius 4 centimeters from a point. Concentric circle of the radius 6 centimeters. So concentric circle of the radius 6 centimeters means 4 centimeters the circle draw. Let us consider the circle is with a 4 centimeter. And 6 centimeters for the circle draw. 6 centimeters for it. So from a point outside, A 6 centimeters. So this is a point P. Instead of to make you confuse, another circle is asking to you to draw. ये क्या है? Previous problem भी जैसा है. ये 4 centimeters है, 6 centimeters. Instead previous है, ये 6 है, ये 10 है. हम लोग नीचे ले गए, इधर साइड में ले आओगे. You assume that there is no circle this one. ये concentric circle नहीं है मान लो. सेम मेथड, ये दोनों को परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर करना है. m as a center, one more circle you need to draw, and where it is touching the points, the 2 points को ये भी कंसीडर करना है, PA and PB join. The figure will be like this. And here asking you to find out the original length of the and also verify the measurement by the actual calculation. So ये क्या है? Here it is given that this is how much? 4 centimeters. This is 6 centimeters. ये length कितना है? Can anyone say? Under root of 6 square minus 4 square हो जाएगा. Under root of 36 minus 60. Under root of 20. So 2 root 5. 2 root 5. Root 5 value? Do anyone know the root 5 value? Root 5 value दो 2.232 something 2.232 आ जाएगा. So if you take 2.232 and so on, you are going to get approximate adjusting the value you are going to get. So if you multiply 4.464 आ जाएगा. So इसका length approximately 4.46 आ जाएगा. That's all. So you can do it now. It's not very difficult to you, I think so. Now let us move to the next question. If you get a doubt, then you ask. If you have any doubt. Third question. Draw a circle of the radius 7 centimeters. Take the 2 points P and Q on the exterior of the diameter. Extended diameter. Diameter को extend करके PQ point करना and at a distance of 7 centimeters from its center. Center से 7 centimeters ला करना. Figure कैसे आ जाएगा देखो. ये circle है. This is circle with center O. Of radius 3 centimeters. इधर से इधर 3 centimeters radius है. इधर से इधर 3 centimeters radius. 2 points to be taken P and Q on the extended diameter. Diameter को extend करके P and Q है. How? That points 7 centimeters from the center. ये center से ये 3 है and P 4 centimeters. P here आएगा, approximately Q here आएगा. Can you share what is the distance of PQ? Can anyone say what is the distance of PQ? PQ का distance क्या है पता है?
14.
Yes, 14. Simple logic है. ये इधर से इधर 7, ये इधर से इधर 7. Next, what to do from this point tangent you have to draw, from this point tangent you have to draw. Further, ये 3 centimeters में 4 centimeters होगा. So total 7 है ना. So midpoint here you will get approximately whenever you take 3.5 पे आ जाएगा. And this one as a center you draw a circle. It is touching here A and B. दोनों को जाएगा. P to A जाएगा. P A and P to P. From this point tangent होगा. And ये दोनों को midpoint को N मान लो. This one as a center, one circle you draw. Circle draw करना है. Circle में कैसे draw कर रहा हूँ? Don't draw in that way. Please don't draw in that way. In what way? I am drawing the circle with the compass. Take the compass N as the center and you draw the circle. Okay? So I can draw the circle. Compass is there, but this is not fitting in that. So a little bit difficult to hold it and here on the board to draw. So I just only explaining to you. Okay? So now here, what to do? ये किस पॉइंट में टच हो रहे हैं? C and D मान. Now Q to C join करो. D and Q join. Okay, tangents. These are the other two tangents here. समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
Clear to you? No doubt at all here. Doubt नहीं है ना? If you have any doubt, please ask.
सर हम लोगों ने OQ और OP को बाइसेक्ट किया ना, M और N जो पॉइंट आए हैं.
It is nothing but midpoint you can take into consider. Midpoint anyway you can take into consider. Either you can take it midpoint as a midpoint directly based on the length you can take into consider either the midpoint, or you can take it as a okay. Next, समझ में आया ना? ये क्वेश्चन तो समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
Fourth question देखो. Fourth question is given. Draw a pair of tangent to the circle of radius 5 centimeters, which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degrees. Which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degrees. 60 degrees angle है. So here question is given to you. Two tangents to this. The angle between the two tangents to be equals to 60 degrees. So is the question. Okay. Fourth question is given to you. Draw a circle of radius 5 centimeters. Okay. Draw the pair of tangent to the circle of radius 5 centimeters. First 5 centimeters radius wala circle draw. This is 5 centimeters radius. Assume. And from a point, rough figure draw first. Because you need to draw the rough figure. ये rough मान लो just you consider this problem. रफ फिगर ड्रा करो, ये 5 सेंटीमीटर्स में from the point B you draw the tangents. Assume that the angle between these two tangents is 60 degrees. Angle between these two tangents is 60 degrees. And here, what is the angle between the two radius? Because the sum of this angle and this angle will be equals to कितना है?
Sir, 120.
Yes, it is 120 degrees. So 120 degrees. So simple. What you need to do after drawing a circle in this? This is our more simple problem. और कुछ नहीं है. So here you draw the one radius of your choice. Your choice. Anywhere else. एक point A mark करो. And here 120 degrees angle draw for this. Protractor you place here like this. Protractor. ये center of the protractor. I am drawing. How to place the protractor also I am drawing here. So don't get confused with this. So protractor का ऐसा place करो. So 120 degrees किधर होता है इधर होता है. Now protractor you remove from the place. Protractor को निकालो. अब ये दोनों को join. This is a point EP. Now we got the radius. Now what to do? You have to draw a perpendicular line to these two tangents. ये दोनों को perpendicular line draw करना है. So it is not given that only this method you use. Perpendicular line can be drawn in different methods. इसका perpendicular line draw करना है तो again you take the protractor like this. Place the protractor like this. Center पे place करना है and this line should be on this. 90 degrees किधर होगा उधर मार्क कर लो. इसको मिटा दो. Means you are not supposed to draw like this. This is I am showing to you to place the protractor. Protractor को आप place करने के बाद ऐसा दिखता है. अब protractor को remove करो. एक point आ रहा है. ये point join करो. Now this is 90 degrees होगा. होगा. Same way you place the protractor here. This facing this side. इस side पे face करो. Protractor को ऐसा. And 90 degrees किधर होता है उधर mark कर लो. And remove the protractor from here. Remove the protractor from here. And ये दोनों हो जाएगा. So ये perpendicular line draw कर रहे हैं हम लोग. We are drawing the perpendicular. And where they do intersect a point, that point we consider as P. And the angle between the P and B they will be equals to 60 degrees obviously because this is 120 degrees, here 90 degrees, here 90 degrees. ये दोनों को बीच में पूरा रिवर्स में ड्रा करेगा. नो नीड ऑफ ड्राइंग एनी सर्किल हियर. सर्किल ड्रा करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
इजी मेथड है ना ये?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So try to draw the circle in this way like this. Okay? Next, fifth question देखो. So fifth question is given to you. Draw a line segment AB of length 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters का length का draw a line segment of the AB 8 centimeters and A as a center draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters and B as a center draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. Okay, so first let us see what is given to you and let us draw it. See here, my advice to you that immediately after the class today itself if you draw the next all the constructions then you will be able to remember because आप लोग first time सुन रहे हैं थोड़ा दिमाग में doubts आते हैं. So whenever you get a doubt you make a call to me and I will clarify your sir मैं कैसे कर रहा हूँ कैसे करना है. Otherwise you can see this video again. Doubt आया तो एक बार मैं वीडियो शेयर करता हूँ तो इसको दोबारा चेक देख सकते हैं. So now the question is given to you that construct the tangent to circle from the center of the tangent to the each circle from the center of the other circle. So that is nothing but what is given here. First you need to draw AB line segment 8 centimeters. A B. तो थोड़ा clumsy होता है ये problem. Figure draw करना है. And how the figure will be there I will show it to you. Figure कैसे होता है. AB line segment कितना है 8 centimeters. Now A as a center ये midpoint होगा suppose. ये midpoint से हमको जरूरत नहीं है but A as a center 4 centimeters as a radius draw a circle. तो ये प्रॉब्लम भी आप हॉरिजॉन्टल में नहीं कर सकते हैं मेरे हिसाब से आपका नोटबुक में, बिकॉज 8 सेंटीमीटर्स इधर है, इधर 4 सेंटीमीटर्स, 12 हो गया। ओके ये 8 है, ये इधर है 4 सेंटीमीटर, 12 एंड उधर 15 सेंटीमीटर्स। So 15 centimeters width if you are having in your notebook, you can do it. Otherwise you turn the notebook, ऐसे ही करो, मैं ऐसे turn the notebook को आप horizontally place कर लो, ऐसा notebook को लेके आओ, so that you will not get confused. My best suggestion is to do like that. Turn the notebook, then you draw it, and when you draw the line segment, these are all the problems like that. You have to leave. Suppose if your notebook is this one, page. And assumption page is this one, this is your page, and if you draw a line segment from here to here 12 centimeters, इतना बड़ा नहीं होगा 12 centimeters, ये भी गलत है, ऐसा भी नहीं मत रखो। सो ये भी क्या करो, एग्जैक्टली मिडिल में ड्रा करो लाइक दिस, ये भी this is what, sorry 8 centimeters not 12, 8 centimeters. So now here what to do here, 4 centimeters का place में circle draw करो like this. Approximately I am drawing circle, may not get in a proper way. Okay. ये 4 centimeters होगा, ये 4 centimeters है, and 3 centimeters में और एक circle draw करना है. So like this circle. Now what to do? You have to draw the tangents from here to ये सर्किल को tangent करना है, from here to ये सर्किल को tangent करना है, एक ही फिगर में सारा आ जाएगा. So now you have to assume that there is no figure here, ये सर्किल नहीं है, मान लो ये सर्किल आपको दिखना नहीं है, सब here to tangents to this is your point. So what is the midpoint here? This is a midpoint. Then what, ये पूरा लेंथ का इधर से ड्रा करें तो इधर midpoint, ये this one as a center, so this point you consider as a M as a center, MA as a radius, draw a circle, MA or MB both, so that circle will touch these two circles here. Now ये point को ये consider करो, sorry A भी हो गया ना, so let us consider this as a P Q R S, ये to P join कर लो, ये to Q join कर लो, हो गया ना tangents ना, angle and semicircle होगा, and next after P to even for this circle also, for this circle from here if you want to draw the tangent, ये दोनों का midpoint यही होगा, यही circle आ जाएगा, so that's why I have marked the points, and B to R join करो, B to S join करो, the figure will be like this. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
कर सकते हैं ना?
Yes, sir.
It's not very difficult, and I think so.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sixth problem I will explain to you, complete the steps and everything. Okay, sixth time. So what is the question here given? Let, it's very important and interesting question, different question here. Let a triangle ABC is a right angle triangle in which AB is equals to 6 centimeters, BC is equals to 8 centimeters, and angle B is equals to 90 degrees. At the place of B it is 90 degrees. Angle AB is, so first let us draw the triangle. Okay, first let us read the question completely. Question में क्या दे दिया है हमको? Triangle ABC में AB is equals to 6 centimeters, BC is equals to 8 centimeters, angle B is equals to 90 degrees. Triangle ABC. And BD is perpendicular from the B on AC. First triangle draw कर, rough figure एक draw कर. One rough figure should be taken into consideration here. Without a rough figure, you are not supposed to get it normal. So like this, you consider A, B, C. A 6 centimeters, A 8 centimeters, angle B, angle C. Okay? Triangle graph here. I am not constructing here now. And BD is perpendicular from B on AC. B to एक perpendicular line है, AD. Perpendicular line ड्रा कर लो. Okay? And draw a circle through BCD. BCD. ये तीनों से एक सर्किल ड्रॉ करना है. ये तीनों से सर्किल passing through these three. You need to draw a circle like this. Circle, sir, आप simply circle draw कर ले. How do we draw circle? I'll explain to you. Circle draw. And whenever you see this circle this is the angle in a semicircle 90 degrees. So the BC becomes a diameter. BC becomes diameter now. It becomes a diameter. So diameter ले लिए, इसका midpoint ले लिए, तो this one as a center circle draw करें तो D point आ जाएगा हमको. Reverse ले जाना. Next, afterwards, construct the tangent to the circle from A to the circle. A से tangent draw करना है. A से एक already एक tangent है. One tangent is there. Which is that?
AB.
AB.
Another tangent you will get like this. But for the another tangent, what to do? ये circle का midpoint center से ये दोनों को join करना है. So first what to do here? ये rough figure basis में first you draw a triangle. Triangle construction कैसे करना है? First you draw the BC 8 centimeters. Okay, and at the place of B you draw the perpendicular using the compass. So using the compass you can draw, or using the protractor also you can draw. Using the compass or using the protractor. So both you can use. Okay. So now here, after drawing the 6 centimeters पे cut कर. Yes, A and A to C join. ये point C. So C and A. Now this is 90 degrees. Okay, triangle construction is over. Now BC as a diameter, mark the point as a O. Midpoint of the BC को O mark करो. Mark this as a BC का midpoint O mark. And O as a center, you draw a circle. Circle to draw like this. And where it is touching the point, that point you mark it as a D. Where it is touching, that mark it as a D. But because here from the B perpendicular line draw करने के लिए, AC को draw करने के लिए draw. And if you want, you can draw it. If you want, you can draw, because एक line दे दिया है, इधर से perpendicular line to this you have to draw. So what concept you will use, that also you can use. But here we are having the easiest concept of circle. Circle में angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. So now the point is, this is obviously 90 degrees over. Obviously it is 90 degrees. So now here we have drawn whatever it is required. Now we need to draw the from the point A to this circle को tangents draw करना है. So for that you need to join this A to O join करना है. And ये दोनों को midpoint find out करना है. Sir इसका measure कितना है हमको पता नहीं है. How do we find out the midpoint? Midpoint find out करना है. So any line segment को, this one has a center, one arc here. This one has a center, another arc here and here. ये दोनों को join करके इधर perpendicular bisector. How do we draw the perpendicular bisector? In the same way you draw it. So, but total line draw करने का जरूरत नहीं. इधर एक छोटा सा mark कर लो. That is, you are going to do it. समझ में आया? So, इधर the midpoint you take it as a M. ये midpoint. Now M as a center, draw a circle. MA as a radius or MO as a radius, draw a circle. Circle will pass through the point B, and as well as like this you are going to do. Okay, and where it is touching the point, another point, that point you mark it as E. Now A to E join. पूरा क्लमजी हो जाते हैं, बट देयर इज नो अदर अल्टरनेट वे. ओके.
सर
हाँ, यस, टेल मी.
सर बीसी का मिड पॉइंट का आपने क्या नेमिंग किया है?
बीसी का मिड पॉइंट
मतलब ये फर्स्ट सर्कल जो है उसका सेंटर का नाम क्या है? दिख नहीं रहा है सर.
क्या? ये सर्किल.
यस सर.
हाँ, इसका सेंटर.
यस सर.
ये सेंटर वो ले लिया मैंने. ओ.
ओके सर.
Because normally to which circle we will suppose ये सर्किल को tangents करा कर रहा है, इसका सेंटर वो लेते हैं ना हम लोग. इस सर्किल को tangents from the point exterior point if you are drawing, we'll take it as a O. O is the center. So like that only here I have taken O is the center. Name is you can give it any name. So what to do here? Steps of construction क्या है इसमें? Steps क्या लिख सकते हैं? What can you write the steps here? Steps क्या लिख सकते हैं? First one, draw triangle ABC in which AB is equals to 6 centimeters, BC is equals to 8 centimeters, and angle B is equals to 90 degrees. Triangle draw करेगा. Okay. After drawing the triangle, second one, mark a point O, which is midpoint of. Mark a point O, which is one minute है ना मैडम. मैं क्लास ले रहा हूँ मैडम. क्लास है मेरा. मैं अराउंड 9:15. संतोष सर को बोल दो ना थोड़ा. संतोष सर करेगा. यस यस. So mark a point O, which is the midpoint of BC. Now O as a center, OB as a radius, draw a circle, which touches the AC at D. Okay, here you can write. We are taking that since angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees, you can say that BD is perpendicular to AC. Actually BD is perpendicular to DC. DC is nothing but AC. हमको वही चाहिए ना. From the B perpendicular line we need to take. Perpendicular line बना करने के बाद point D किधर आते हैं? उस point की थ्रो सर्किल ड्रा करना है. बट हम क्या कर रहे हैं? पहले सर्किल ड्रा कर रहे हैं. We have drawn the circle first circle draw कर लिया. Okay, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So next afterwards what you need to do, ये complete होने के बाद join AO and mark a point M as midpoint of AO का midpoint, M as a center, MO as a radius, same. M as a center, MO as a radius, draw a circle which touches the previous circle at B. एक तो B में टच कंपल्सरी करेगा एंड E. ये सर्किल पुराना सर्किल को एक B B point में टच करते हैं, एक एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट E I am taking into consideration. So therefore you can say that AB and AE are tangents to the circle with center C and O as the center, OB as the radius. That's all. Simple है ना? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt here? No. So last problem है. Last problem is very simple. Draw a circle with the help of the bangle and take a point outside the circle. Construct the pair of tangents from the point outside the circle. कुछ नहीं है. But इसमें एक चीज है, center पता है. Sir, center how do we find out? In the 7th problem, ये समझ में आया ना?
Sir,
Yes.
हाँ.
थोड़ा सा साइडो जे लास्ट का 2 पॉइंट्स बाकी रह गया.
नहीं दिख रहे. You are noting down this one now.
Yes, sir. Last 2 points are left.
हाँ ओके. लिखो लिखना है तो लिखो. Yes. लिखो. So construction, see here, immediately you draw the construction immediately कर लो, so that easily you can understand. After the completion of the class, immediately you can do. हो गया?
Yes, sir. Finish.
Okay. समझ में आया ना सबको?
Yes, sir.
Now last problem, bangle use करके एक circle ड्रा करना है. But the difference is what from the previous problems to this problem. In all these previous problems, you are having a center. But when you draw a circle using the bangle or any circular object, if you are taking into consider, then you don't know the center in that. So center first find out. So in the 9th class, I think you have learned how do you find out the center if the center is not given. Anyone do remember?
Yes, sir.
What to do?
Sir, by making two non-parallel chords and perpendicular bisector of them.
That's all. Can you do it? Sir, suppose I have drawn 7th problem ना. It is nothing there. Circle draw करो. इसका center क्या है मुझे पता है. I don't know the center of this circle. So now what to do? Perpendicular bisector of the two non-parallel chords to be taken. Sir, why do we take the non-parallel? If you take the parallel chords, ये parallel suppose, इसका perpendicular bisector यही होगा, इसका perpendicular bisector यही होगा. But now the center is where we cannot find it. Okay, so that's why the chords whatever you are taking, it should not be. They should not be perpendicular. They should not be parallel. So you take like this any length of your choice. Length can be any. Okay, and इसका perpendicular bisector draw करो. इसका perpendicular bisector. So like this. इसका perpendicular bisector how do you draw? This one as a center, A as a center, arc here and arc here. This one as a center, arc here, arc here. ये दोनों को join करो. This is perpendicular bisector. इसको चारों पे extend करो. In the same way, इसका भी perpendicular bisector था. So like this here. You after getting the center, my best suggestion is to you. इसको erase करो. Erase करने में थोड़ा नबीला और रहता है ना बीच में आ जाते थे तो थोड़ा सा आपको कंफ्यूज हो जाए. You may get confused. But in the steps you need to write. draw the two non-parallel curves. Now how Shalu said that? Who said? No? Okay, whoever it may be. So draw the non-parallel chords and its perpendicular bisectors. The meeting point of the means the intersecting point of the two perpendicular bisectors consider as the center of the circle. It is the center of the circle. वो center होगा. क्यों center होगा? Because ये perpendicular है. कहाँ देखो perpendicular bisector will passes through the center. ये passes through the center, ये भी passes through the center. So दोनों को common point क्या है? तो वो center होगा. Center आने के बाद एक point external में लेना है, वो P consider कर लो, और P वो को join कर लो, and midpoint ले लो, circle draw करो, ये दोनों का, and where it is intersecting दोनों को join करो. हो गया. It's very simple, I think so. Not difficult. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
With this, we completed our constructions chapter. Next, we are going to learn the next 12 chapter areas related to circuits. Okay.